is Alex. He's getting ready to get blown up.
Yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah!
Alex is about to blow
Yeah!
Okay.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Fuck.
Oh! Light!
Shit.
Oh fuck! Bro, what the fuck? What are y'all doing? Oh shit! Oh fuck! What are you doing, man? Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Give me your phone! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
How we doing, man? How we doing?
I'm good.
We're
good.
good.
We're good.
Oh shit! Wait, where do you put it? Oh shit! No! We got a Roman candle about to go off.
Oh, what the fuck?
Open the door for this one.
Yeah, open the door. Oh no. Oh no.
No, like open the door so it can fly into the door. You fall.
Yeah,
Where do I stand? Where do I stand?
Look at the corner, look at the corner.
It's up!
It's going!
Oh, they're staring me in the back.
Holy fuck, my phone got hit by the firework.
Bro!
Alex, look behind you.
Oh fuck, where are you, bro?
Yo, what it is, bro? Your phone that got fucking burned. Oh shit. Thanks for watching. Wait, is this the end already? Do the intro.
Just do your intro.
Oh yeah.
You have 4 cameras to look at, alright? Just look through all of them as you're doing it.
Oh shit.
Okay, I have an idea. Now, we continuously just let bunker motion. Good.
Fuck it, yeah, do it.
Oh, like you be a good idea. You like cooked my fucking fingers. You.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Look.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, that one actually. Fuck.
Wait, that one blew up. What the fuck?
I saw a frame where it was just a fucking explosion.
Oh hey, how's it going, man? Oh!
That was sick!
But there's a bee in here.
Look at him.
No!
It's my grandfather.
Look at him.
That's my father, Drake Rodriguez the second.
Look at him.
It's Drake Rodriguez Jr.
Look at
What is blood doing? This right here is Drake Rodriguez the fourth. He's my son. He has autism. What's your deal, boy?
What them motherfuckers doing over there? What are they doing over there?
Oh, fuck, that hit me.
Any last words?
My name's Legitimately. And welcome to Dick Ass. Let's go, Dick Ass!
Go.
Oh, fuck.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, it's good.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck. Oh, oh fuck. Oh. Oh fuck. Oh fuck! Oh, the fucking chair is hot as shit. Ow! Burning my ass.
Fire under the chair, bro.
Oh fuck! Oh,
You do that? Yeah, I got that.
oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck, that fucking hurt. Oh shit, it's on fire, it's on fire. Oh shit, fuck. Oh fuck, ow.
You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good, yeah.
Oh, you got a couple steams.
Hey bro, how did that look? How did that look?
That had to look bad.
Bro, that hurt. Ow.
Aftermath interview. Aftermath interview.
Dude, that was fucking amazing, man.
Dude, your shirt is not covered.
Oh,
Those are 3 burn marks.
oh.
There's fucking burn through all the way.
Well, I'm keeping this shirt as a souvenir.
You should like go around his entire body and look at like all the marks. It's just ice floor the entire way.
I hit a bench.
Climb over the bed.
I'm gonna climb in your ass. Let me just get all the angles. Perfect. Anything to say?
My name's Legitimately, and that was Dick Ass right there. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Yep, it's going now.
Oh, fuck. Is it hot? Oh, shit. I think it just went out, man.
One blast took it all out.
Oh, what the fuck?
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, it's going now.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit! Hey, get the hose, 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 get the hose. All right, Alex, what do you think?
Well, I ran out like a little bitch. Hey, did we get good footage though?
Yeah.
Expect a delivery on your door tomorrow.
Do it again.
Alright, fuck it. Tight.
Stop!
Can you even see my eyes?
Yeah.
Wait, for real?
I want to pick up the house.
Pick it up, man. Put monkeys spinning monkeys over this.
How are you? How the fuck did y'all pick this up?
Left out.
Huh?
The walking house. Paranormal activity. No.
You want to hear?
I want a hot pocket.
You just ate 6 Hot Pockets.
No.
start fighting.
Hey man, fuck you, man.
Ah!